Hey guys, it's Tyler from Nelly Security. Today I'm going to show you how to waterproof your network connections on your IP security cameras using this weatherproof grommet. Now, when you purchase an outdoor security camera from us, it's going to be weatherproof, but it doesn't matter how weatherproof it is, either from IP65 to IP68. These cable connections are not going to be weatherproof. So you can see as I connect this Uniview motorized Vandal Dome to an Ethernet cable, this leaves quite a bit of this connection exposed to the elements. So if your camera cables are going to be in a place where they can get wet, it's crucial that you weatherproof this connection. Luckily, most of our security cameras come with this weatherproof grommet, which makes it super simple to seal your connections from the elements. Included in this bag, you'll find the weatherproof grommet, the plastic seal, and this small rubber band. Some cameras also come with this little stopper. Now, this grommet is super simple to install onto your camera's cable connections, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. First, you'll take the end of the grommet like this and slide it onto your Ethernet cable. Next, take this plastic seal, which should have a slit in the side. If not, you might have to cut it yourself. Simply place this around your cable like this. Next, the body of the grommet will slide over the Ethernet cable, and we will fit that seal nice and snug into this part here. And now we can simply screw these two pieces together. You can see here that we now have a nice weatherproof seal protecting our Ethernet cable. Next, take the cable out of your camera and wrap this rubber band around the connection like this. All that's left to do now is connect your Ethernet cable and push these two ends together. Twist the grommet to lock it into place, and there we go. Our cable connection is now sealed and totally weatherproof. If your weatherproof grommet came with this tiny plastic piece, and if you're not using your 12-volt DC connector, you can go ahead and place that stopper inside your connector to prevent any elements from getting in there. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, be sure to like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss another security video. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time.